which you have two. And here you're really close to the spot on the ski hill. So if you just kept going that way, it's just right there, and you can I think you can see it from inside.
Come on, Patrick, let's go. Patrick. Patrick, let's go. Pats. Hey, Patrick, don't do that. It's dirty.
Well, so let's see. The first one we ran that's our staging stuff. So no. And then the second one is the older furniture. The other two didn't have the furniture. So yeah. So sometimes it's nice just to ask for it. If you do a good offer. And then you don't have to worry about furnishing it. Because this will be ready to go. Yes, you can actually see the ski hill right from here on the back.
We actually saw a bear earlier.
Huh?
We saw a bear.
You saw a bear?
Yeah.
Where?
Over the last house when we tried the
Oh,
U-turn
no way.
with cubs. Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I would have loved to see that. How cool.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yes, you can see the ski lift going up right now.
Uh-huh.
So that's the tunnel down?
That's the Tahadonner ski hill, yeah.
Is that for public or?
Yeah, it's for public, and if you live here, you get a discounted price.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not sure how much the day tickets are, but they're so much more affordable than North Star.
Yeah.
North Star's day ticket right now is $150.
Oh, really?
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
I mean, we have a pass there.
Patrick, where are you? Hey, no, wait for us. Someone living here?
No.
No?
I just think all this stuff's here.
Because there are clothes in there.
Okay, they might come, it says the seller comes up very rarely, so they probably just leave their stuff. Yeah. I know, if anyone needs to use the bathroom, I think the water, right now, the water's off.
You fall down?
Yeah, you got your master upstairs.
Nice. Maganda siya.
Yeah, it's nice. There is a fountain.
Is there a HOA?
Yeah, so it's the 1900, and then on top of that, it's 750 a quarter. Yeah.
Oh,
This
wow.
is the garage.
Yeah, the garage is very nice.
And I think you get one or two, so you could park, gosh, you could park 4 cars in there. Maybe if they're smaller ones, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, but really 2. And then I think each unit has 1 parking spot outside,
Mm.
but I have to double check that.
The thing that